Okay, very first thing is what is Git and versus GitHub. So Git is a version control tool where we can maintain the different version in a Git, and then GitHub is a platform where we are going to store our code, right? It's a space where we are going to store our code. We will merge the other codes, other teammates code, and then final push our code there. But Git is a version control where we can control the multiple versions, switch into the different branches. So we will cover them both in the details. So I'm going to sign up to this GitHub account, and then we will create we will perform those steps step by step. So I will just click on this sign up button. First you need to visit this github.com and just click on this sign up button. So after that it require the steps here. So you need a Gmail, you need an email account. So I'm going to mention here the at this one is my dummy account I'm using here, and then you need to type your password. Oops, let me type it correctly. Okay, let me type more. Then username is Johnny. Okay, it's not available. Johnny 266. Okay, it's also not available. Let me add one more 6, and yes, it's available. I'm in the Pakistan, so receive preference. No, I don't need this. Click on this continue, and first it will verify your account, and then it will give you access to create your account. So you need to solve the puzzle. So here you need to map this with this picture. So I'm going to rotate this, so now it's correct. Submit this out, and yes, this step is completed. Moving towards, and it sent this code to my Gmail account. So here this one is my Gmail account, and I received this code. Just copy this and paste it here, and just click on this continue, and boom, we are successfully able to sign up. And now I'm going to sign in. Okay, just click on this sign in button here. Okay, here put your username, or you can also put the email here. Let's, in my case it's a AK and so on thing. Let me type it correctly. Enter this, and yes, now I'm signed in to my GitHub account, right? So very first thing is here I need to create a repository. So here you can see this, there is an option of create repository. So so what is a repository? So basically repository is a place which will handle our project. So you can say that one project will be handled by one repository. So if you want to store your one project, you need a repository, right? So here I'm going to create a Laravel app, right? Or if you will miss this space, so it will miss this hyphen, it will automatically add this hyphen. Okay, so here you can mention the description that what is this repository. This is repo where I'll store my dummy results. Okay, and then you can choose a repository type, either it's a public repository or it's a private repository. So private mean that if the repository is private, no one can access, either you can share the access to that person. So public is the property where everyone can choose this public and view your repositories. Okay, here you can add a readme file where you can mention the detail about the project, that how to set up a project and so on. Okay, then git ignore will be automatically applied, and then just click on this create repository. Okay, great. Our repository is created and you can see this, our this detail is added in the readme file. So you can edit this readme file according to your own need, and then by default it's added one commit, which is when we created our repository, it's added a readme file which is a commit. So now what is commit? So commit is basically when you have a project and you are pushing this to the GitHub repository. First times it will mark as one commit, that you have submitted the code only once. If you will work some other work on this project and then push the code again on this same repository, then it will consider the two commits. So it means that you are pushing your code 2 times, so that is a commit. So we'll learn more about that, how to customize this commit and so on. So we need to basically link this repository with our project. So first we need the project, right? So I'm going to create a simple project and then connect this with this repository in the next video.